Okay, next I'm going to do New Zealand Japan PA. First of this is the main mistake is the overall downtrend is the trend is down. First of all, even though first there's this strong push down, then there's a straight strong strong buy came back in, which caused a panic. And when the sellers try, it immediately got gobbled up, and it's trying with quite a high volume. Immediately got gobbled up and came back to this high. So in this Asian start like 8 o'clock, I actually tried to buy at this level, trying to take it up to all the way here. Then after a certain timing, I kind of like I think fell in love with this position. I'll say. So I actually always looking for long because of this V formation and test. But little do I realize that actually until we took out this guy who started the push, it's actually it's still a short position. So the trend is down until we took out this guy. It's still a seller's territory. So I should have bought as close as towards this guy as possible. Which I have plenty of opportunity to. And even so, after the market open, it's like 3. Could have bought here. Put my stop here. Instant profit. Technically, if you want to get out here, also 3R. Get out here is like 7R. Get out here is like 10R. But first of all, entry wise, I think in the morning is fine because of this area. First it came back here, people sell, got trapped, came back up, come back test this trap, immediately go back up, they try again. But there's this struggle, like first struggle, second struggle, third struggle. Until he took out this guy, right? There's it could still be in a long trade. Then my main mistake is I got up pretty fast over this area when the price came south. I scratched for like 2 pips at this area, which is good. Then the second part of the I thought that this guy will hold, so it came down. The guy tries and got immediately gobbled out. And this part there's one thing that I did the very good job is I didn't increase position size. And there's one thing that I did very bad is actually trying to time trying to get at the lowest possible price, which is not the lowest possible risk. That's the issue right now. It's like my entry always try to get the lowest possible price. So in order to go long again, what I did is here. This guy is the guy that started in here, come back test, slow down, go back up. It's like happening in the Euro Australia right now. It's like came back test, slow, buy, go back up. So this is the kind of trade I need to find. V formation test, and it's a slow choppy down. Then when it came back up, you can actually buy. Let it go to the top. So that's the main mistake. Is the guy who started it, no V formation test. I was thinking of like very high, very lopsided. Even if lopsided, you came back test maybe here, and then you put a short stop. Then you go back up. So entry, good things that went well. Things can be better is go with the trend, go with the seller's territory instead of going for a buy. Let's go with the seller's territory. Second is this is just will be a fucking killer home run trade. But it's okay, I'm still learning all this process. Next we can take in consideration of correlation. Okay, now we go short. Wow, 20号。Okay. Things to be better. Entry. Let's just focus on story and entries. So technically, this guy is strong. So tick boom, tick boom. It's like V formation. You haven't really got what you do like intraday, let's say 4 hours, big boy territory. What you need is like this guy to die without killing this guy. So it needs a struggle to push down, then it's a queue up, then this guy is dead. There is a long territory. Okay.